Hold on a moment. Today I'm going to reveal a shocking fact about avocado, a fruit that most of you probably consider a health food. Have you ever heard that this so-called forest butter, or the world's most nutritious fruit, could trigger a sudden cardiac shock if eaten with certain foods? Surprising, right? Even a health food like avocado can hide some serious risks. Avocado is so nutrient-dense that it's listed among the world's top 10 superfoods in the Guinness Book of Records. But if you're not aware of the three worst food combinations we're about to share, those very nutrients can actually turn harmful. Nature has a simple truth: nothing is purely good. Make sure to watch this video until the end to learn how to enjoy avocado like a medicine. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and like. 5 key benefits of avocado for seniors. 1. Heart health and blood pressure support. Most of the fat in avocado is monounsaturated fat, oleic acid, a healthy fat that raises good HDL cholesterol and lowers bad LDL cholesterol, helping prevent atherosclerosis and heart disease. Avocados are also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. According to a Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health study that followed 210,000 people over 30 years, people who ate one avocado per week had a 16% lower risk of cardiovascular disease compared to those who didn't. 2. Cancer prevention and anti-aging. Avocados are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E and beta-carotene, which help prevent cellular oxidative damage, protecting against cancer and aging. Research from Florida Atlantic University shows that compounds in avocado can improve metabolic syndrome and protect cardiovascular health. Recently, studies have highlighted avocado's avocatin B, which may help kill leukemia cells, showing promising progress in cancer research. 3. Eye health protector. For seniors worried about macular degeneration or cataracts, avocado contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect the retina and shield eyes from oxidative damage. Scott et al. 2017 reported that participants who ate one avocado per day for 6 months increased their lutein levels by 25%, which was associated with higher macular pigment density (MPD) and improved cognitive function. 4. Digestive health and weight management. With about 7 g of dietary fiber per 100 gram, avocado promotes satiety and supports normal bowel movements. Its fiber, especially pectin, feeds beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing microbiome diversity and supporting digestive health. 5. Rich in folate and vitamins. Avocado is packed with folate, vitamin C, and B vitamins. Folate is essential for cell and blood production, making it crucial for overall senior health. Serving recommendation. Because avocado is high in fat, it's best to limit intake to about 20% of an avocado per day. The 3 worst food combinations with avocado. Even the healthiest avocado can become risky if combined with certain foods. 1. For people with kidney disease. Avocado is high in potassium, which is generally good for blood pressure. However, if your kidney function is impaired, excessive potassium intake can lead to hyperkalemia, which may cause cardiac shock or breathing difficulties. Solution: if you have kidney disease, consult your healthcare provider before eating avocado. Even healthy individuals should stay within the daily recommended intake. 2. When taking blood thinners like warfarin. Avocado contains vitamin K, a fat-soluble vitamin essential for blood clotting. Excessive intake while on anticoagulants can reduce the drug's effectiveness and be dangerous. Solution: according to Samsung Medical Center, Consult your healthcare provider to adjust both medication and diet. 3. With added sugar or sweet syrups. While avocado's healthy fats reduce bad cholesterol, adding sugar or syrups cancels these benefits and increases the risk of obesity and diabetes. Solution: enjoy avocado with low sugar additions such as salt, pepper, lemon juice, or lime juice. 3 best food combinations to maximize avocado's benefits. 1. Tomato, a perfect match. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a fat-soluble antioxidant. When eaten with avocado, lycopene absorption can increase more than fourfold, maximizing antioxidant and cardiovascular benefits. Try avocado slices with tomato in salads or open-faced sandwiches for the best effect. 2. Onion, especially red onion. Red onion is rich in quercetin, which helps prevent fat and cholesterol buildup. Combined with avocado's fats, it promotes cholesterol removal and improves blood circulation. Mexican guacamole, which blends avocado, tomato, onion, and lime juice, is a prime example of this synergy. Why not try it for dinner today? 3. Nuts and olive oil. Adding walnuts or almonds and drizzling olive oil enhances the effects. Avocado's monounsaturated fats, nuts' omega-3s, and olive oil's healthy fats together boost antioxidant power and cardiovascular health. Try it in salads with olive oil, dressing, or blend into avocado smoothies with nuts. Bonus storage tip: avocado is a climacteric fruit, meaning it ripens after harvest. Once fully ripe, remove the pit and peel, then freeze to preserve vitamins for longer. Remember, by pairing avocado wisely, you can treat it like medicine and enjoy a healthier life. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Golden Age Lab promises to provide only reliable, senior-focused health information. I sincerely wish for your body and mind to stay healthy and vibrant. Thank you for watching, and this has been Golden Age Lab.